Welcome to Smart Kids. Hello, Smart Kids. We are going to learn English subject. In English subject, we are going to learn new lesson in class 1. Our lesson name is Sunny and Minnie. Our lesson name is Sunny and Minnie. Children, let's start. Sunny and Minnie. Listen carefully. It was Sunday morning. Sunny was in his bed. Children, in this lesson, Sunny is a boy, Minnie is a cat. Children, as we know, every Sunday we get holiday. Sunny was sleeping. Sunny was in his bed. Get up, Sunny, brush your teeth, said his mother. What his mother said? Get up, Sunny, brush your teeth, said his mother. Get up, Sunny, now brush your teeth. Be ready. Hi, Sunny, we are still lying in bed. Get up, said Minnie. Minnie is a cat. What Minnie said? Hi, Sunny, we are still lying in bed. Get up. Hi, Minnie, let's play. What Sunny is saying? Let's play now. But look so dirty. You look so dirty. I'm clean. So what's let's play, Minnie? Come on, Sunny. Look yourself in the mirror. Okay, I will. See, children, what Sunny did. Sunny is not brushing the teeth. He is saying ki let's play now. But Minnie is saying ki look at yourself in the mirror. How you are looking. Your teeth are yellow. Your mouth is sticky. Your hair are messy. What Sunny was doing ki he was not cleaning himself. Get up, Sunny, brush your teeth, said his mother. Hi, Sunny, you are still lying in bed. Get up, said Minnie. It was Sunday morning. Sunny was in his bed. Get up, Sunny, brush your teeth, said his mother. What his mother said? Get up now, be ready for breakfast. Hi, Sunny, you are still lying in bed. Get up, said Minnie. Minnie is a cat. She is saying to wake up. Hi, Minnie, let's play. What Minnie is saying? Ki be ready. But Sunny is saying ki he will be playing now. But you look so dirty. I'm clean. Minnie is saying. So what's? Let's play, Minnie. In this lesson, Minnie is a cat. Sunny is a boy. Come on, Sunny. Look yourself in the mirror. What Minnie is saying? Look yourself in the mirror. Your teeth are yellow. Your mouth is sticky. Your hair are messy. Yes, I am looking very ugly. What Sunny is saying? He's not brushing the teeth. He's not washing his face. He's looking very ugly. Look at yourself in the mirror. Minnie said like this. Sunny said he will clean himself. He is looking very dirty. He looks himself in the mirror. His hair are messy. His teeth are yellow. His mouth is sticky. But you look so dirty. I'm clean. So what? Let's play, Minnie. Come on, Sunny. Look yourself in the mirror. Okay, I will. Your teeth are yellow. Your mouth is sticky. Your hair are messy. Yes, I am looking very ugly. I like clean friends. Clean yourself and let's go to play. Yes, I'll be right back. What Minnie said? First clean yourself, then we'll play. Okay, I will. Your teeth are yellow. Your mouth is sticky. Your hair are messy. Yes, I am looking very ugly. I like clean friends. Clean yourself and let's go to play. Yes, I'll be right back. What Minnie said to Sunny? She said, first clean up yourself, then we'll play. In this picture, you can see children. Sunny is brushing his teeth. Sunny is bathing. Sunny is wearing the new clothes. Sunny is combing his hair. Wow, Sunny, you are looking neat and tidy. Let's play. Thank you. Minnie, let's play and enjoy Sunday. Minnie and Sunny are playing with each other. Children, in this picture you can see Sunny is brushing his teeth. Sunny is bathing. Sunny is wearing clothes and Sunny is combing his hair. Now Sunny is ready to play. Now he is fresh up. Let's enjoy the Sunday. This is the picture of Minnie. Minnie is a cat. This is a picture of Sunny with his Minnie. Sunny is playing with his cat Minnie. He is enjoying the Sunday with his cat Minnie. Sunny is playing with his Minnie. Children, we must follow the good habits. We should always clean ourselves. When you wake up in the morning, you should brush our teeth, clean ourselves. You should take a bath daily. You should eat healthy food. In this picture you can see Sunny is wearing the cloth. Sunny is brushing his teeth. Sunny is combing his hair. Sunny is bathing. Now Sunny is ready to go to school. Sunny is eating food. See children, we must follow the good habits. Children, we can see the picture of we must clean ourselves. We should brush our teeth. We should play on time. We should sleep on time. And we should throw waste paper in a bin. We should wash our hand before going to eat. In this picture you can see we must follow the good habit. This is a picture of boy. Boy is wake up on a time. He is ready for the school. He is taking his lunch and playing on time, and study also he is doing time. See children, we must follow the good habits. You must clean ourselves, meditation, and we should take a bath daily, brush our teeth, clean ourselves. We must eat healthy food. This is a picture of good habit. You should follow the rules and regulation of our good habits. We should pray on time. We should play and study and other activities we should do on time. This is a picture of an ideal boy of good habits. He is praying on time. He is going school on time, bathing, studying, eating. Everything is doing on time. Please share and like my videos and subscribe my channel for more upcoming lesson video. Thank you.